Hello guys, welcome to my channel Sports Info Now. We here with special WWE edition where we talk about top 5 possible plans for WrestleMania 37. Still there is a lots of month left for WrestleMania 37 to be happen. But we know that WWE started their planning for WrestleMania a year ago, right after previous WrestleMania. So here we are with the top 5 possible plans for WrestleMania 37. There are lots of WWE rumors and comes which is give us the glimpse of what we can expect from next year WrestleMania, that is WrestleMania 37. There are few plans, matches and returns that comes into speculation for WrestleMania 37. If the current situation getting better and better in upcoming time, then we can surely expect full capacity crowd at WrestleMania 37. Before we start the video, we request you to please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for instant video notification. So without further ado, let's start our video. Number 5 is The Undertaker and John Cena WWE return for WrestleMania 37 match. The Undertaker and John Cena are two of the finest superstars in all pro wrestling industry. Fans are always curious about when these two legends make their WWE returns for their matches. At one, The Undertaker already told that he hangs up their boots already from in-ring competition. But after that, on few occasions, WWE and The Undertaker both teases that the Deadman WWE returns for one more match. While on other hand, we saw that John Cena now become a part-timer pro wrestler because he is now mostly focused on his Hollywood career. But we know that in upcoming time, both are make WWE returns for their matches. WWE News and Update suggested that WWE could plan to bring back those two legends once the live crowd come back for the show. And it's most likely to be happen at WrestleMania 37. These two last wrestle in the WWE ring was at WrestleMania 37. The Undertaker faces AJ Styles in Boneyard match, while John Cena faces The Fiend Bray Wyatt at Firefly Funhouse match. Both matches are cinematic and fans will like them both. So it's interesting to see that if these two make WWE return at WrestleMania 37 for a match, then WWE plans they face each other or WWE gives them separate matches. Number 4 is Becky Lynch faces Ronda Rousey at WrestleMania 37. At WrestleMania 35, we saw that these two women make history in WWE when they wrestle in a main event of the show alongside Charlotte Flair. Becky Lynch picks up a win in that main event when Ronda Rousey tapped out to Becky Lynch and she becomes Raw and SmackDown Women's Champion. That is Ronda Rousey's last appearance in WWE, and since then fans still waiting for her WWE return. Recently she spotted to do training with her husband, and the WWE rumors also suggested that and give speculation about that she might be returning in WWE soon. If WWE really planning for Ronda Rousey WWE return, then WrestleMania 37 is a perfect place that we could see her wrestle. According to WWE spoilers, WWE currently planning to do Becky Lynch vs Ronda Rousey match at WrestleMania 37. WWE reports also suggested that Vince McMahon only wait for real fans who make their presence in that show, then we can see that mega clash at WrestleMania 37. If this match made WWE possible for WrestleMania 37, then there is a possibility that this match could be the main event of the show. Number 3 is The Rock vs Roman Reigns at WrestleMania 37. After Roman Reigns makes WWE return and turn heel, then The Rock vs Roman Reigns match possibility goes high. It's been a long time that fans wants to this match to be happening. It's all started when Roman Reigns become a two-time Universal Champion. Later in one interview, The Rock expressed his desire to wrestle a match against Roman Reigns. In another interview, Roman Reigns also replied to The Rock comment and shows green signal for his match. After that, this match plans comes into discussion between WWE officials, and now there is a planning about how to make this happen in real and most probably at WrestleMania 37. The Rock last time wrestled in WWE ring were at WrestleMania 32, where he squished Eric Rowan in an Imperator match. While Roman Reigns is a full-time wrestler who now WWE Universal Champion on SmackDown. So both superstars are agreed to do one singles match, so we can surely say that this match can happen at WrestleMania 37. Number 2 is Edge vs Randy Orton for one final time at WrestleMania 37. As per early WWE update, WWE's initial plan was to do Edge vs Randy Orton match at main event of WrestleMania 37. Then some WWE reports suggested that WWE changed their plan due to the Edge slow recovery process from his injury. Might be WWE does not want to take a risk about the main event of WrestleMania 37. According to WWE's initial plan, they planned Edge vs Randy Orton I Quit match for WWE Championship at WrestleMania 37. These two are already faced each other two times after Edge makes his WWE return at Royal Rumble 2020. In the first and last man standing match, Edge picked up a victory at WrestleMania 36. Then in second match, with the tagline of the greatest wrestling match ever, Randy Orton picks up a win when he delivered a punt kick after a long time. WWE originally planned Edge vs Randy Orton third and final match at SummerSlam 2020, but due to the Edge injury, which sustained during the second match, WWE held their plans. Right now, Randy Orton is in a feud with Drew McIntyre for WWE Championship. So now speculations going around that WWE planning to give a title to Randy Orton by end of the feud against Drew McIntyre. Then WWE builds again his storyline with Edge for the WrestleMania 37, where WWE finally set a match Edge vs Randy Orton for WWE Championship. But right now all things will depend on Edge and his injury and his recovery process. If all things are done in time, then we surely see this match at WrestleMania 37. Number 1 is WWE could change their venue of WrestleMania 37. We knew that WrestleMania 36 took place at Raymond Stadium in Tampa, but due to the current pandemic situation, WWE forcefully changed their plans, and in the end, we saw WrestleMania 36 took place from WWE Performance Center. WWE already announced the venue of WrestleMania 37, that is SoFi Stadium at Inglewood, California. But now the latest WWE news and updates suggested that WWE might change their plans and venue of WrestleMania 37. According to WWE new reports, WWE planning to move WrestleMania 37 from SoFi Stadium to Raymond Stadium in Tampa, where WrestleMania 36 originally took place. So now let's wait what things fall out in the end. We hope that whenever WrestleMania 36 takes place, it will be full capacity crowd present for the show. So these are the top 5 possible plans for WrestleMania 37. Hope you all enjoyed. Leave your thought in comment section, which is always open for you. Before you leave, please do like, subscribe, share and press the bell icon for instant video notification. So see you guys in our next video.